I am Miko Pangalangan, your incumbent USC counselor, your next USC chairperson. Today, let me tell you about Stand UP's general plan of action. Ngayong taon, konkreto at progresibo ang pagbabago ang hatid ng Stand UP. And we can summarize it in 3 essential points. Pagbabago sa UP, pagbabago sa bayan, at pagbabago sa sama-samang pagkilos. Pagbabago sa UP. Dapat tayong kumilos para sa karapatan sa edukasyon, kagalingan at serbisyo. We are being challenged to actively shape the future of our university. Stand UP envisions a UP that is affordable and accessible for all. A UP where democratic rights are safeguarded. A UP whose public character remains intact and not eroded by privatization. That's why this year, we invite you to join us in the campaign to junk socialized tuition system, along with dubious other school fees. Let's campaign against the repressive code of student conduct. Let's fight against the UP Master Development Plan. When UP chooses its next president in 2016, let us actively voice out our concerns and ensure that relevant issues will be addressed. Stand UP also envisions a USC that does not renegade on basic student services and can completely improve the daily lives of the scholarly environment. That's why part of our plan is to ensure that facilities, tambayans, and various services will be provided for free of charge and in the most efficient way for everyone. Let's revive TREP, or the Textbook Rentals Exchange Center. Let's clamor for free and better university Wi-Fi access without resorting to private ventures. Let's push for affordable food services through supporting the university food service and plight of our money in defense. 2. Pagbabago sa bayan. Tumilig tayo para sa sambayanan, para sa tunay na kalayaan at demokrasya, suporta sa laban para sa lupa, trabaho, sahod at karapatang pangtao. Let's continue and intensify the call for truth, justice, and accountability against a regime that has brought the Filipino nation to great peril. Let your next USC not just be a myopic USC, but a USC that leads the student in supporting the fight for genuine agrarian reform, just wages, better job opportunities and regularization, as well as the many different calls of various sectors of society. Together, let us fight gender discrimination, human rights violations, and the continued demolition of communities inside and outside our university. 3. Pagbabago sa sama-samang pagkilos. Tanging sabo at matibay natin kaaysahan makakamit ang pagbabago. Ituguhin natin ang Rise for Education and Give Back Now bilang pangunahing alyansa na magsusulong ng karapatan sa edukasyon at maging pananagutan at justisya. We'll return the community and organizations, fraternities, and sororities and revive alliances in highlighting our advocacies. Let's also launch eye-opening activities, events that will raise awareness on issues that matter. As for the UP Fair, we should return its relevance as a cultural activity of our youth. In order to achieve change in UP and in the nation, we need to strengthen our unity. If we learn something throughout history, it is the power of collective action to create genuine, relevant, and positive change. Kaya muli, ang hamon ng Stand UP sa mga eskolar ng bayan, laban isko, tayo na sa pagbabago, stand up sa konsero.